Hi friends, I just received this coffee mat or coffee maker mat. It's useful because you put your coffee maker here and it will protect your kitchen countertop or whatever you have your coffee maker. And if water spills on it for any reason, it will absorb it like really fast, as you can see. Perfect. Okay. Basically, no water here. It's gone. Okay. Also, it has this anti-slipping surface, so it will have a good grip to your countertop. It won't move, so your coffee maker, whatever you put on top of it, will be perfectly. It won't move and it won't slip away. Okay, so I'm going to change this one for my new one. Let's do it. Well, as you can see now, I have my coffee station ready with my coffee mat. And if for any reason I spilled something, some water or coffee or milk from these machines, as you saw, the mat will absorb it really, really fast. And then you can easily wash it. Let me show you. You can wash the mat, get rid of any dirt or anything that it's on it. And you just have to put it to dry, and that's it. You have a clean mat all the time, okay? Perfect. Thank you.